What's up? What's up? Boy, true. You can't get no time with the boys, them. So I choose this. Boy, with the boy KJ can't let this down. This is me, I carry them come at the park today. Yeah, they call this park Chump Park. Not Donald Trump, but Chump. Yeah. T-U-M-P. What I see him say? I'm not so Trump. Yeah, I see him as well.
Yeah, they built a new thing?
Yeah, they built a new thing. Yeah, you're right. They changed some stuff, KJ. Yeah, because there was a different, like, stuff right here.
Yeah, there's another one too.
Yeah. So tell them where you at, KJ. Where you at today?
Trump Park. This is 25.
Okay. Alright. Yeah. So, that case and jump on is a new thing. Because, last night we come here about 2 months ago, probably. There were nothing. Yeah, this is like 2 minutes away from home. Yeah, KJ enjoying it. KJ enjoying it too. Yeah, can't get no time with them, so from last week, me tell KJ, say, get them from Jump Park. From mine, my bother me. But to be fairly speaking, yeah, all the time, they know work. Yeah, this is new to KJ. This is new, you know that? Yeah, let's get out to a little case. Gateway over here. Let me take you up. Yeah, daddy baby? You're daddy baby? Daddy kiss. Go and go play. Go on. Another daddy time now, a year time. Go and go climb up. Go climb. Nice, good job. Yeah. Other kids coming in at the park, you know. Yeah. Park is nice too, you know, like. Them get it advanced, you know. KJ, why are you choosing to climb with something in your hand? Throw it, give me. Give it to me.
Can I catch it?
Yes. Yeah. KJ said we'll climb. Slide through. Which one are you going to slide? That one? Good. Slide through the other one. KJ, we'll run on at that one. Come here, KJ. It's gonna hit you. Don't push it. Come this side. Come here, KJ.
Oh, yeah, that was perfect for you. Look, that's a climbing wall.
You get that too?
KJ want to go on it. Come. Why are you running? Come.
Well, some people can stand on here.
Yeah, I know.
Or like put their foot on there.
KJ now go get me tired today because I'll be a running boy run for me. He's running, KJ. Yeah, look here, if you're gonna stand on it, guess what? You have to balance, in the center of it. Yeah, or else you're gonna fall.
Why?
Yeah. Yeah. Come, you can use the scooter. Come, now take up Casey's bicycle. You should not carry your bicycle though, but never mind. Leave him on bicycle alone. This is not Casey, that's his scooter, go ride it. KJ gone on his scooter. He dominant on his scooter, but he can't ride the bicycle. And love tell me about it. Come, bicycle, come ride, come. I bet you don't want to go on it. I don't want to go on it because because you see everything when you can enjoy yourself.
Can you spin us on there?
Yeah, come. Go for Kason and can come. Come back, Kason. Come, I'm gonna spin you guys. Come. One up on it. Nice. Sit down, both on sit down. Yee!
Oh. Can you do it hard? Faster?
Me tell you sit down, you see, you don't focus. And then when you don't sit down, what you expect your brother to do? How much time I tell you is listen. I said sit down, so now you have him standing up. Don't do that, KJ. Come, have him sit down. Have him sit down.
Okay, guess he was standing up, so I thought it was okay.
No, I said sit down. Woo! Yee!
Make a Fortnite noise.
Yeah, let me take that one and spin it. Watch I run on. See your face? Rude.
Okay. How about we climb from here when you spin us? Here?
Yo, you crazy? You wanna get hurt? Yeah.
How do you do it? It's hard.
I know. Because you're a baby. You're a boy. Me a big man.
I'm doing it.
Case jump off.
I'm doing it.
Come, jump back on it. Jump back on it. Jump back on it. Yeah, just want to get some fun time.
He bet he went on the same swing.
Yeah.
With his belly on. Okay, Kason.
Jason, but mind hurt yourself, little boy.
Okay, Kason.
Hush, come here. Come here. Let me see it. And lick up my head. Hush. What's wrong, baby? Now they putting us. Come ride the bicycle. That's if you can do. Come.
Well, I want to go on a skateboard thing.
Yeah, carry the scooter. Go for there.
Go to the.
Yeah.
Well, I want to try one of those.
Come here first. Come here. Run, come here. Casey, go for Casey. Come here. Hey, boy. You want to go on the swinger? Hold him right there. Hold him. No, that's for you and this. Come here.
Wow, I really know how to do it.
Yeah.
Just sit on.
Hold the camera.
Start now, Daddy.
Wait, it start. Put your foot in there.
It starts.
Put your foot in there.
So today we're at the truck park. Kason just put on his thing on. So how about we just wait for a minute? How about we wait for a minute, guys? Okay. Woo!
This. Come here.
Wow, I really know how to do it.
Yeah.
Just sit on.
Hold the camera.
Start now, Daddy.
Wait, it start. Put your foot in there.
It starts.
Put your foot in there.
So today we're at the truck park. Kason just put on his thing on. So how about we just wait for a minute? How about we wait for a minute, guys? Okay. Woo!
Yeah! Look at his face. 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 First time I put him in this in bar and he's just scared. Look at his face now. Yee. You put yours on?
Yep.
Yes, okay.
Wow.
Casey's going. Casey's going. Casey's going. Go! Yeah, that's his face. That's his face. Guess what, Casey? I want you to put your other hand, put this hand right here. Put this hand right there. Get ya! Catch it! Catch it! Eee. Catch him! Catch it! Look at his face! See that damn face? Rude face! That's the rude face! Rudy! 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 You ready to come out? Are you ready to come out now? Alright. Yeah! Take care of the feet. Good job. See how much I look up. Next move. Casey, come. You ready to go skate?
How old is he?
2 going 3. Yes. Come, don't fight her for it. You were on one. Come. Come. Let's go skate. This one has water. I'd rather use that one. No, don't put your hand in the water. Dirty water. Come, let's go skate. Yeah.
Rose, do you want to come swing over here?
Come, you don't want to skate again? You say you're going to skate.
There.
Come here. Casey Sema, KJ Sema, Cup Rider. Get up on camera.